Welcome to our guide on starting a medical billing business. Today, we'll explore the exciting opportunities in this growing field. First, it's crucial to research the medical billing industry. Understand current trends and demands to position your business effectively. Create a solid business plan that defines your services and target market. This roadmap will guide your journey ahead. Don't forget to obtain the necessary certifications. Understanding medical billing credentials can give you a competitive edge. Next, decide on your business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor or an LLC? This affects your taxes and liability. Investing in the right billing software is essential for efficiency. Look for tools that simplify your billing processes. Establish a marketing strategy to attract healthcare providers. Networking will play a key role in building your clientele. It's important to navigate the legal and compliance requirements, especially HIPAA regulations, to protect patient information. Building a professional network is crucial. Connect with healthcare professionals to enhance your business opportunities. Finally, launch your business. Use these tips to attract your first clients and start making an impact in the industry.